Hello children, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are fit and fine. Now today I'm back here again to take your maths class. Now in the last class we have completed exercise 4J till number 4. Today we are going to discuss from number 5 till number 10 and complete our unit test syllabus. Till exercise 4J will be your unit 2 syllabus. Okay, we are not going to do exercise 4K and 4L. Okay, we will not do. We are going to end our syllabus here at exercise 4J. Okay, so let's start. Let's start with number 5. Okay, there were 79 seeds in one packet. How many seeds will be there in 24 such packets? Please read the question properly. There were 79 seeds in one packet. How many seeds will be there in 24 such packets? There were 79 seeds in one packet. How many seeds will be there in 24 such packets? Very easy. We are going to do multiplication, as all of you know. So let's begin. Here it is. In one packet, there were 79 seeds, right? Please see the question. In one packet, there were 79 seeds. So therefore, in 24 packets, there will be 79 into 24 seeds. Then you have to show the multiplication, you have to show the working, and your answer will come 1896 seeds. After you multiply 79 by 24, your answer will be 1896 seeds. 1896 seeds. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Number 6. A plane can carry 275 passengers. How many passengers can 11 such planes carry? Number 6. A plane can carry 275 passengers. How many passengers can 11 such planes carry? A plane can carry 275 passengers. How many passengers can 11 such planes carry? Again, multiplication, children. So let's start. See the way I have done it. In one plane, there are 275 passengers. Therefore, in 11 planes, there will be 275 into 11 passengers. After you multiply, you will get 3025 passengers. Your answer will be 3025 passengers. After you multiply 275 by 11, you will get 3025 passengers. Now, children, let me remind you again. You can write your own statements, no problem. There is no hard and fast rule that you have to write what I have written. No, you can write your own statements also. Okay, that also will be accepted. Okay, as long as they are correct. Please make sure of it. Okay, so in one plane there are 275 passengers. Therefore, in 11 planes there will be 275 into 11 passengers. Your answer will be 3025 passengers. Okay, let's go to number 7. See, 59 people can travel in a bus. How many people can travel in 19 such buses? Again, 59 people can travel in a bus. How many people can travel in 19 such buses? Number 7, I'm reading. 59 people can travel in a bus. How many people can travel in 19 such buses? Okay, let's see. See, number 7. In one bus, there are 59 people. Okay, in one bus, there are 59 people. Sorry, I think I have said 79. It will be 59. In one bus, you can see the question also. In one bus, there are 59 people. Therefore, in 19 buses, there will be 59 into 19 people. Your answer will come 1121 people. Now, children, you have to show the working. You have to show the multiplication 59 into 19 like I have shown. In this way, you also have to show the working. Your answer will be 1121 people. Okay? So let's go to the next one. 8. 65 beads are needed to make a necklace. That means for one necklace, 65 beads are needed. How many beads will be needed to make 34 such necklaces? Please, children, read the question again. 65 beads are needed to make a necklace. How many beads will be needed to make 34 such necklaces? So, for one necklace, we'll be needing 65 beads. So, therefore, for 34 necklaces, how many beads will be needed? Okay, see the way I have done it. Number 8. In one necklace, there are 65 beads. Therefore, in 34 necklaces, there will be 65 into 34 beads. Your answer will be 2210 beads. In one necklace, there are 65 beads. Therefore, in 34 necklaces, there will be 65 into 34 beads. Your answer will be 2210 beads. I hope I'm clear to all of you. Just simple multiplication. Nothing else. You have got to read the question properly. Okay, let's go to the next one. Number 9. A club has 198 members. Each member pays rupees 90 per month. What is the collection of the club every month? A club has 198 members. Each member pays rupees 90 per month. What is the collection of the club per month? Every month. A club has 198 members. Each member pays rupees 90 per month. What is the collection of the club every month? See the way I have done it. One member pays how much? Rupees 90. So therefore 198 members will pay 90 into 198. Your answer will be 17,820. Because in the question it was given in 1 month the member pays rupees 90. So therefore 198 members will pay in 1 month how much? 90 into 198. Your answer will be rupees 17,820. Okay. Let's go to the last one. Number 10. Tickets to watch a cricket match cost rupees 150 each. Tickets to watch a cricket match cost rupees 150 each. What is the cost of 45 such tickets? Tickets to watch a cricket match cost rupees 150 each. What is the cost of 45 such tickets? Okay, let's go to the last one. Let's see. Cost of one ticket, that means rupees 150. Therefore, cost of 45 tickets will be 150 into 45. Rupees 6,750 will be your answer. Cost of one ticket, rupees 150. Cost of 45 tickets equal rupees 150 into 45. That will come to rupees 6,750. 6,750. You have to show the multiplication. The sums are very easy, but you have got to do it a bit carefully, as because you are learning 2-digit, 3-digit multiplication for the first time. Okay, so children, please be careful while you multiply. Okay. So children, I hope I'm clear to all of you. I hope all of you are clear with the sums. Exercise 4J we have completed. I'm also going to send the snapshots of the sums that I have done. But again, let me tell you that you can write your own statements. No problem. Okay. So we have come to the end of our unit test syllabus. I'm requesting all of you to practice the sums again and again at home, Do not forget to learn the tables. I've already given you the tables. You just have to go through it every day. Every day, please see and read once. Then also, slowly you are going to remember them. Okay? So, we are going to meet in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay healthy, stay happy and enjoy learning. Thank you.